G'day folks, how you going? Welcome to Sumo's Projects and welcome to this video. This video is a little bit of a celebration of reaching a milestone on Sumo's Projects on YouTube, and that is reaching the target of 2,000 subscribers. Been on YouTube for probably about 2 years now, and I'm a small content creator in regional Victoria in Australia, and I love what I'm doing. It's helped me sort of learn and develop my skill set as I've gone along doing the videos, and as well as that I've enjoyed the editing side of it, which I'm still in the midst of learning and trying to improve on that. But today is all about giving a little bit back to the community, to the lovely people who have always left comments, and so that's what we're doing. Got some nice prizes here. So to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is be a subscriber or become a subscriber, and probably hit the notification bell, because what I'll be doing, I'll be announcing the winners. I'm going to have 3 prizes here, so I'll be announcing the winners in my April shop update. So I wish all of you the best of luck, and what I'd like to do now is I'll give you a bit of a look at some of the prizes. I've got a bottle opener here, one of the things I make for selling at markets. Got a lot of tools here, some pliers, some clamps, things like that. Also very popular, last time I had a giveaway were all these shop signs. So these are great little items to put up in your shop, and they add a bit of a man cave touch, so I'm sure you'll like them if you win them. Also some stickers, and anything else I can put my hands on which is able to be sort of put in the post and shipped out. And this is worldwide, so it's open to everyone. So one of the things I'm going to do now is just reflect on some of the kind folks who have left me comments in the past, and this is one of the reasons I keep doing this. So have a look and have a little read of the comments. And also other YouTube creators and people on Instagram as well. So one of those fun things along the journey is getting to meet people. I met people from all over the world, but I've also met some really like-minded people to myself here in Australia. And for those of you who are not from Australia, we have a bit of a larrikin attitude, so we tend to talk a bit differently and have a bit of a laugh at different things, but all the same, we're much the same as anyone else who's making stuff in their workshops, and you know, we just like to be creative and get out there and make stuff. So let's go meet another grouse maker who's become my mate, and let's see what his story's about. Crikey, where are we? Who's this bloke?
Didn't we share a cell together once?
I think that's what happened.
Right.
Yeah,
right.
Yeah, they were troubled waters there back then, mate. Where are we? Look at this place, Timbecon. This is Chris from Built by Chris. He's on YouTube. He's a bloody good bloke.
Some say.
I don't know why he's hanging around with me.
Because I hear Sumo's a good bloke too.
Thanks, mate. I'll pay you later. Hey, did we spend a bit of money today, or are you going to spend some money?
I'm about to. You're holding me up.
Sorry, buddy. Well, it's a nice day here in Melbourne. We're at Timbecon, and I'll tell you what, I might go have another go and spend some more money.
I'll help you.
Yeah, that's what they all say. So, to go with the journey of being a maker, content creator, however you want to term it, one of the things you got to have is a camera. I started off with the most simplistic way, and by using a smartphone, used the camera on that, and worked fantastic. Went up to buy myself an iPad. I didn't know what an iPad was years ago. People said, have you got a tablet? I said, yeah, mate, yeah, I've got some Panadol and that'll get rid of your headache. They said, they looked at me like I did have a headache. Never mind. You get past these things. Using iMovie on that as well, and looking to upgrade to a computer so I can enhance and do a little bit more with my editing. But I'll just show you some of the footage of, you know, some of the scenarios you get yourself into, and how you get yourself out of them as well. So, you know, it's another chapter, another leaf in the spring of making videos to learn how to do good editing. So one of the absolute funnest things, I don't know if that's a word, but we'll run with it, is learning to make things. Probably 3-4 years ago, I would have gone out into someone's workshop and said, geez, that looks flashy, a lot of bright things in here, and not knowing how to go about doing, you know, some tasks. I did learn woodworking at school, but for about 25-30 years, I didn't put any of that skill I learned back at school into practice. So, you know, like, you make things like this. These are simple little builds. You can sell these. People look at these and go, I'll give you maybe $20 for that. Make stuff for home. You can make your own cutting boards, you know. These can turn into a platter you can put all types of things on and entertain when you have people over. So I'll just show you some of the projects I worked on along the way. And I started from scratch. I learned, I watched, I viewed, and that's what we all do, isn't it? Let's have a look. People have asked me over the journey from time to time. I get the question, wonder if I could do a YouTube channel. And in many ways, I'd go out of my way to recommend people do it. There's a great community of people on Instagram who are always in their ear, come on, do a YouTube channel. The thing is, you may not get a big audience straight away, but that doesn't matter. It's a building blocks for you looking back at what you do and improving as you go. And as I mentioned throughout this video, I didn't know anything about iPads, I didn't know how to edit. And look, I'm not saying I'm anywhere near as good as half the people doing it, but I'm giving it a go. And that's one of the biggest things you can do. If you give it a go, you get a lot of satisfaction, you meet people, and you have a lot of great fun. And that's what it's all about at the end of the day. And that's what I appreciate. And that's why after 2,000 subscribers, I like to give a little bit back to the people who've made this possible for me. It's part of my dream, part of my life now. So guys, just please leave a comment. That'll get you into the draw. And be subscribed. Hit the subscribe button if you're not. And just tell me what your favourite project of 2018 was and why you enjoyed doing that. So that's all I have to say. Thank you very much again. And until the next video, you'll be good and make some cool stuff. All right. See you later.